This is 11-month-old Madeen Ahmed. He's been diagnosed with cancer and is battling for his life at Amal Hospital.
Regarding the patient Madeen Ahmed Hassan, he came to us on the 18th of December in 2019. He's suffering from a recurrent fever, low platelets level, low levels of blood, and an increase of white cells. He was diagnosed with severe leukemia after the bone marrow was examined.
The Amal Hospital in Taiz City is one of the biggest cancer facilities in Yemen. It's been struggling to meet demands since the civil war began in 2015, and now things have become worse.
There
is a shortage of services, medicine, examining devices, and medical care. We have about 7,763 cancer cases registered in the Amal Hospital. There were 723 additional cases registered in 2019. Also, around 120 patients are visiting the Amal Hospital to receive treatment on a daily basis.
The World Health Organization says cancer could be a death sentence here because of lack of funding. And it's patients like Madeen Ahmed and his parents who suffer the most.
Of course he is in pain. He has zero immunity. What are they doing to him now? They're only giving him injections for cancer treatment for days without any additional medicine.
And without international aid, the doctors at the hospital say they cannot fight the disease.
We call upon the whole world and all the international and humanitarian organizations to help in establishing and equipping the Amal Hospital for cancer treatment, to help securing all the services needed for cancer patients.
It's a desperate call for help from these cancer patients in Taiz. Shoaib Hassan, TRT World.